Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Crochet Shop by Nano. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to crochet adorable patterns, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything. First, we need your selected yarn. I will use Alize Turkish brand. Suitable crochet hook, 4mm crochet hook. First make a slip knot, then chain multiples of 8 plus 2. Skip one stitch from the hook. In the next stitch, make one single crochet stitch, chain 5, skip 2 chains, then in the next stitch make one single crochet stitch, then chain 5, skip 2 chains, then another one single crochet stitch. Repeat this. One single crochet stitch in the last chain. Chain 3, turn your work, then in the next chain space make one single crochet stitch, in the next make 4 double crochet stitches in the same stitch together. Then in the next chains make one single crochet stitch in the next chain space, chain 3, in the next chain space make one single crochet stitch, in the next single crochet stitch make 4 double crochet stitches in the same single crochet stitch. Repeat this. In the next chain space make one single crochet stitch. Repeat this to finish this row. Finish your work by making one single crochet stitch in the last chain space, then chain 1, then one double crochet stitch in the last stitch,